Hello, you're here for one more lesson of this AutoCAD 2016 training course. And the topic for today will be apply ordinate dimensions. To show you this feature, I've already created this geometry that you can see in your screen, this rectangle and a couple of circles inside. Regarding these ordinate dimensions, this is a different type from the other ones we've seen until now. And for your knowledge in mechanical drafting, these ordinate dimensions are used to maintain the accuracy of the machine parts by establishing an origin on the part. This origin is usually an easy way to locate features in the part, such as machine board or two machine surfaces. Basically, one example where this kind of dimensioning is very used are injection molds, because besides all these things I've mentioned, when we are putting dimensions in drawings that have a lot of entities, it will be almost impossible to understand what were the dimensions for. So this is another way to dimension things in reference to something and with less entities, because it will only put one line per dimension, as you are going to see. So the first step to do in applying these ordinate dimensions, it is to create a new origin, and all the next dimensions will be in relation to this origin. So I will say UCS. We still haven't seen much about it, but please retain that this UCS is something that allow the user to create an origin where we want. So you see, I call UCS, I have the origin connected to my cursor, and I will apply where I want. So I will not choose a specific location. I will click with the mouse, and as you might understand, this location, if it was real work, should be done on a specific location. Okay, sorry, I will click somewhere around here and do the enter, and now the origin is here. So to apply these dimensions, I can come to the regular quotation. So in this list, the ordinate, or in the annotate menu, again we have also the same menu, and we have ordinate. So, and now we just need to click points, because it will be always in relation to this origin here. So for example, if I say a point 0, 0, it will apply the line from the origin. This is too big, and I need to change this before. I need to modify because it's very big. So let me change the size of the arrows in the text. And again, ordinate, I will say 0, 0, and you see I can join and say this. So here, now I will call it again, and in this example I could click around here and do something like that, and below I will do exactly the same. Okay, and this is done on an horizontal way, but if it is on vertical, I will do exactly the same, just like this. Okay, and basically this is what we intend to do with this Ordinate. For sure that if I need now the origin on another place, I could do it. Let's read this. I could do here, and I could start a new dimension, Ordinate in this case, regarding this new origin. These are just numbers. They look for the current dimension at the moment that they are applied. So this is very easy to use, and it's another tool for you to add to your package of tools regarding dimensioning.